Abstracting refers to the process of summarizing a document's content. Which of the following best describes an abstract or brief summary of a document? An abstract is mainly useful for the helping user decide the relevance of the document. Which one is not a purpose of the abstracting? That is to provide detailed analysis. Abstracts are mainly included in abstracting journals. The length of an abstract typically ranges from 100 to 500 words. A well written abstract must be accurate, concise, and clear. Which of the following is essential in abstracting? Identification of the main theme. An abstract is different from an annotation in that it summarizes the document. The person who writes the abstract is known as the abstractor. An abstract that includes only the main ideas and no interpretation is called a indicative abstract. Which abstract includes the methodology, results, and conclusion, that is informative. A critical abstract includes personal opinion and critique. Indicative abstract are also known as the descriptive abstract. Which of the following is usually longer and more detailed, that is informative abstract? A structure abstract contains separate sections like background, methods, and the results. Which type of abstract is used in medical journal, that is structured? A slanted or biased abstract is considered misleading and unethical. A statistical abstract includes numerical data and tables. Author abstracts are usually prepared by the original authors. Which abstract combines feature of both indicative and informative abstract, that is hybrid abstract? A mini version of the document prepared for the digital archive is called as the metadata abstract. Indicative abstracts are useful when only a general idea of the content is required. An abstract prepared with predefined heading is called a structure abstract. An abstract that includes evaluation or critique is called a annotated abstract. Which of the following should be avoided in an abstract? The jargon and abbreviation. In abstract writing, which tense is commonly used? That is past or present tense. An abstract should usually not contain references. Which element is generally not included in an indicative abstract? That is results. The ideal tone of an abstract should be objective and neutral. The first sentence of an abstract should normally state objectives or purpose of the study. Which of the following is most important in an informative abstract? That is data and findings. When preparing an abstract, one must paraphrase in clear and concise language. Which guideline is emphasized by international abstracting standard? Maintain factual accuracy and neutrality. An abstract should be brief yet informative. A structured abstract typically avoids narrative format. The quality of an abstract affects indexing and retrieval effectiveness. Which of the following is most crucial while abstracting scientific documents? That is uniform format. The primary audience for ab- abstract includes researcher and information seeker. A poor abstract may result in misleading search results.